So far we've talked about adding matrices, subtracting matrices, and multiplying matrices. But we haven't said anything about dividing matrices. And there's a good reason for that, and it's because we can't divide by a matrix. So let's remember how division works with numbers. So first of all, recall that we can undo addition by a number. By subtracting. So we can add b to a to get a plus b, then subtract b to get a plus b minus b, which is a. So, like we never added a in the first place. Now we can also undo multiplication by a number. Well, by a non-zero number. We can't ever undo multiplication by 0. Once we multiply by 0 and get 0, there's no way to get back to what we started from. So we can also undo multiplication by a non-zero number by dividing. So we can if we multiply a by b to get ab, then we can divide by b to get ab over b, which is a, like we never multiplied by b. Again, if b is not 0. Now let's think about matrices. Now we can undo addition of matrices by subtracting. And this is just like numbers. We can add b to a to get capital A plus capital B. Then we can subtract b to get a plus b minus b is a, just like we never added b in the first place. Multiplication is more complicated. First of all, we can't undo multiplication by the zero matrix, which sometimes we write as a big zero. Now that's not any worse than numbers so far because we can't undo multiplication by the number 0 either. But unfortunately, we can't undo multiplication by many other matrices. Either. And then a third problem is left and right multiplication by a matrix aren't even the same. For example, let's let A be the matrix 4, -1, 3, 2, and let's let B be the matrix 1, 1, 0, 1. So AB is 4, -1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1. It's 4 plus 0, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. And if we do B times A, then we have 4 plus 3 is 7, -1 plus 2 is 1, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 2 is 2. These matrices are not equal. So if we could divide by a matrix, would this undo left multiplication by the matrix? Or right multiplication? By the matrix. So we'll never write 1 over a matrix. Because if we're going to undo left multiplication, undo right multiplication, we're going to have to do them different ways. And that this is simply not addressing the issue of whether we left multiplied or right multiplied by B. So I want you guys to think about this question carefully before watching the next video.